Hey guys and girls, so just a real quick video just on how to lift up drywall and get your gaps nice and tight. It's always a good idea to leave about a ½ inch gap at the bottom, especially in a basement, because if you get any moisture coming through the concrete floor, it's going to want to wick up through that through that drywall. So having that little bit of a gap at the bottom, like you can see on these ones, it makes a big difference. So what I like to do, you can see here, this is just a wonder bar or a flat pry bar. It's about 20 inches long, and what I've done is I've taken a little scrap of wood, and you can see the little screw in there, just in that nail puller hole. And what it does is it gives you a little bit of leverage so that when you step on it, you can see as I'm pushing on the bar, it's actually tightening up that gap. And why I like using this Wonder Bar, they actually make specific drywall lifters. They're quite expensive. They're about 30 bucks. They're very short, and they're made to kind of like cradle your foot or your work boot. What I like about this is that if you're on either side of the actual piece of drywall, you can just lean over, look at your line, make sure that everything's still good and your foot's still on the bar. You just grab your screw gun and just zipper right in. It's really good on 4-foot sheets because it gives you a little bit of play, in my opinion. And also most people have pry bars of some sort, so you don't actually have to go out and buy the tool. They can range anywhere from about 20 bucks up to about $40 for a good one. So just a little quick tip. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Think about subscribing. I'm posting videos frequently, let's say, but not on a regular schedule. But if you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, it'll get you guys all set up. Until the next time.